How to install basement floor insulation below screed. Before installing the insulation boards, any concrete slabs should be fully dried out. The slab surface should be smooth, flat and free from projections. Use a thin sand blinding if levelling is required. Lay the damp-proof membrane with joints well lapped and folded over either the thin sand blinding or over the insulation boards. Both are acceptable. The membrane should be laid under the basement wall and over the triangular-shaped piece of insulation, also known as the fillet, placed between the concrete slab and the exterior of the basement wall. It should be lapped under the basement wall tanking membrane by a minimum of 300 millimeters. Loose lay the insulation boards in a break-bonded pattern with joints lightly butted. If 2 layers of insulation are required, offset the second layer to minimise any joint overlapping from each layer. Place a strip of rigid insulation board around the perimeter of the floor slab in order to prevent cold bridging. It should be level with the bottom of the floor insulation board and the top of the floor screed with all elements closely abutted. If the damp-proof membrane is laid below the insulation boards, apply an appropriate polythene membrane on top of the insulation board to prevent wet concrete penetrating the insulation board joints and to act as a vapour control layer. Ensure all joints overlap by 150 millimeters and are then taped. Also, ensure the polythene is turned up 100 millimeters at the walls. It is now suitable to install the sand and cement screed directly on top. Finally, allow sufficient drying time prior to installation of your selected floor finish.